Good morning everybody, welcome back to our channel Sri Education. So in previous class we learned the zero of the polynomial. So today class is 10th class mathematics, third chapter polynomials, exercise 3.2. So here first question, graphs of y is equal to p of x are given in the figure below. For some polynomials p of x, in each case find the number of zeros of p of x. So here first graph, we observe the first graph. Here vertical line, horizontal line, x and y axis. So here one line is given. So this line touches only y axis. So here this one, here curved line is given. So this line touches in x axis and y axis. So here only touches in y axis, so no zeros. Here touches in x axis one's place, here 1 0 is there. So here x axis touches in 3 places, so 3 places means here 3 zeros are there. So same next one also. So here first one, we observe the first diagram. So here we observe the first graph. So here given line, so given line, here we observe the graph. So this line is intersect only y axis. So here not intersect at x axis. So no zeros. So there are no zeros. We write first one answer. There are no zeros. There are no zeros. So the graph does not intersect x axis, intersect the x axis. So this is the first one answer. So next second one, we observe the second one. So just x axis. So here this curved line touches in x axis one's place only. So intersect in one's place. Intersect in one's place means here 1 0 is there. So 1 0 is there. So we write that one. So here the number of zeros, here the number of zeros is 1 because here touches the x axis one's place, intersecting in x axis one's place. So intersecting in x axis one's place, so number of zeros is 1. The number of zeros is 1. So as the graph intersect the x axis, intersect the x axis, it's the one place, at one place or 1 point only, 1 point only. So 0 is 1. So next third one, here third one, given curved line is touches in x axis 1 2 3 points, 3 points touches in, intersect 3 points, intersecting 3 points in x axis. So here the number of zeros is 3. We write that one. So third one, the number of zeros is 3. So the number of zeros is 3. So as the graph intersected, the graph intersects the x axis at 3 places, 3 points, we write points, 3 points. So next here, so next we observe the fourth diagram. So here given line intersecting 2 points on x axis, intersect on 2 points on x axis. So we write in that one. So fourth one, the number of zeros is 2. So as the graph intersect the x axis at 2 points. So next we observe the fifth one graph. So here fifth one, given line intersecting on 1 2 3 4 points on x axis. So we write here. So fifth one, so here the number of 4 zeros, the number of zeros is 4. as the graph intersect the x-axis at 4 points. 4 points. So next sixth one. Here we observe the sixth one. Here given curved line 1, 2, 3. 3 points are intersect on x-axis. So we write here. So the number of zeros is, so here 3 points. So we write here 3 as the graph intersect the x-axis at 3 points. So this is the first one solution. So second bit, find the zeros of the given polynomial. So first one, p of x equal to 3x, p of x equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. So third, p of x equal to x plus 2, x plus 3, p of x equal to x power 4 minus 16. So find the zeros of the polynomial. So here some polynomials are given, we find the zeros of the polynomial. Suppose here this is the monomial, so 1 0. So this is the quadratic polynomial, 2 zeros are there. This is also quadratic 2. This is the power 4 is there. So next we observe the fourth diagram. So here given line intersecting 2 points on x-axis, intersect on 2 points on x-axis. So we write in that one. So fourth one, the number of zeros is 2. So as the graph intersect the x-axis at 2 points. So next we observe the fifth one graph. So here fifth one, given line intersecting on 1, 2, 3, 4 points on x-axis. So we write here. So fifth one. So here the number of 4 zeros. The number of zeros is 4 as the graph intersect the x-axis at 4 points. So next sixth one. Here we observe the sixth one. Here given curved line 1, 2, 3. 3 points are intersect on x-axis. So we write here. So the number of zeros is, so here 3 points. So we write here 3 as the graph intersect the x-axis at 3 points. So this is the first one solution. So second bit, find the zeros of the given polynomial. So first one, p of x equal to 3x, p of x equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. So third, p of x equal to x plus 2, x plus 3, p of x equal to x power 4 minus 16. So find the zeros of the polynomial. So here some polynomials are given, we find the zeros of the polynomial. Suppose here this is the monomial, so 1 0. So this is the quadratic polynomial, 2 zeros are there. This is also quadratic 2. This is the, so here second bit, find the zeros of the polynomial. So first, given polynomial is equal to given polynomial 3 of x, p of x equal to 3 of x, 3x, p of x equal to 3x. So zeros, number of zeros means this polynomial is equal to 0, p of x equal to 3x equal to 0. So here x equal to 0, 3 carry to right hand side, x equal to 0. So number of zeros is 0. So here number of zeros is here monomial 1 0 is there. So number of zeros is 1. So this is the first one solution. So here first second one, given polynomial is p of x equal to x square 5x plus 6. So this is the quadratic polynomial. So at most two zeros are there. So we write first given polynomial. Given that here given polynomial p of x equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. So is a quadratic polynomial. So is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial means it has at most two zeros. It has at most two zeros. So we find that zeros. So here p of x equal to x square 5x plus 6. So p of x equal to 0. 0 means here x square plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Here middle term is 5x. Now split the middle term and divide the factors. So here x square coefficient 1. 1 into constant 6. 6. So here x square 5x plus 6. So here x square coefficient 1 and constant 6. 1, 6 are 6. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 2 into 3 equal to 6. So now split the middle term. Here x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 equals 0. 2x plus 6, 3x equal to 5x. So here take common x plus 2. So next we take common 3, x plus 2. So equal 0. Again we take common x plus 2 is equal to into here x plus 3 is there. So here x plus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. So here x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 3. These two are the zeros of in this polynomial. So here two zeros are there. At most two zeros. So here x equal to, so therefore the zeros of the polynomial is is minus 2 and minus 3. So this is the second one solution. So next third one, p of x equal to x plus 2, x plus 3. So here two factors are there. So here x into x square is a quadratic polynomial. So given polynomial is a quadratic polynomial. So it has at most two zeros. At most two zeros. So here p of x equal to x plus 2 and x plus 3 equal to 0 means here x plus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 3. So these two are the zeros of this polynomial. So the zero of the polynomials is minus 2 and minus 3. So this is the third one solution. Next fourth one, x to the power of 4 minus 6. So this is the x power 4 means biquadratic polynomial. It has at most 4 zeros, biquadratic polynomial. So it is a biquadratic polynomial. So it has at most 4 zeros. 4 zeros. So at most 4 zeros means first given polynomial p of x equal to x to the power of 4 minus 16. So here this one we write here a square plus a square minus b square form. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b form. So here we write here x square whole square minus 16. So this form is there. So we write here x square plus here 16 square means 4 square. We write 16 plus we write 4 square also. So 4 square. So here x square plus 4 square 4 into x square minus 4 a plus b into a minus b form. So again here this one is divided this form. So here x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 plus 4. Here next this one we write here x square x plus 2 into x minus 2. So now here x to the power of 2 plus 4 equal to 0. Next here r x plus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. So here x square plus 4 equals 0 means here x equal to x square equal to minus 4. X square equal to minus 4 means here x equal to plus or minus under root minus 4. So here x equal to minus 2. Here x equal to 2. So here 2, 1, 1, 4. Here plus and minus is there. So 2 solutions. Here 1, 1, 4 solutions. So therefore the zeros of the polynomial, polynomials are 2, minus 2, plus or minus 4. So these are 4 are the zeros of the polynomial. So here minus 4. So this is not a real number. So here we do not consider minus 4 is not a real. It is not a real. This is the imaginary number. So here is not a real number. So this is the fourth one solution. Next, third question, draw the graph of the given polynomial and find the zeros, justify the answer. So first one here, p of x equal to x square minus x minus 12. So this is the quadric polynomial. Quadric polynomial means here it has at most 2 zeros are there. So here we draw the graph and find the zeros. So here given polynomial, first one p of x equal to x square minus x minus 2. So here given y equal to p of x equal to here x square minus x minus 12. So here this is the quadric polynomial. So it has at most 2 zeros. So it is a quadric polynomial. Quadric polynomial. So it has at most 2 zeros. So 2 zeros. So here first y equal to x square minus x minus 2. So here x place we substitute different values. So here we take x equal to different values and y find the y value. So here y equal to x square minus x minus 12 is given. So y equal to x square minus x minus 12. So suppose here x equal to we take minus 3, x equal to minus 3. Here y equal to x square minus x minus 12. So here substitute the x equal to minus 3 whole square minus half minus 3 minus 12. So here 9 plus 4 minus 12. So that equal to here 13 minus 12. 13 minus 12. So sorry here 3. 12 minus 12 0. So here 0 means here point is the minus 3 comma here y value is 0. So x values y values here minus 3 comma 0 is the point. So next we take x equal to minus 2. So that equal to here y equal to value is the y equal to same here substitute x square minus x minus 12. So here minus 2 x place we write minus 2 whole square minus half minus 2 minus 12. So 4 plus 2 minus 12. So 6 minus 12. 6 minus 12 means here minus 6. Minus 6. Here x coordinate is minus 2 and y coordinate is here minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 2 comma minus 6 is the point. Next x equal to we take minus 1. X equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 means here same we write here minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 minus 12. So here minus 1 whole square means 1 plus 1 minus 12. So equal to minus 10. So minus 10 means here point is the minus 1 comma minus 10 is the point. So next here we take x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means here y equal to 0 square minus 0 minus 12. So y equal to minus 12. So here point is the 0 comma minus 12 is the point. 0 comma minus 12. So next here x equal to we write 1. X equal to we write 1 means here 1 square minus 1 minus 12. So here minus 12 is the answer. So y value. So point is the 1 comma minus 12. So these are all the points in. So next x equal to we write 2. X equal to we write 2 means here y equal to here 2 square minus 2 minus 12. So 4 minus 2 minus 12. 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 12. So 4 minus 2 minus 12 means here minus 10. So 2 comma minus 10 is the point. Next x equal to, we write here 3. 3 means here y equal to 3 square minus 3 minus 12. 9 minus 3 minus 12. So 9 minus 3 minus 12 means 9 minus 15. 9 minus 15 equal to here 9 minus 15 equal to minus 6. Minus 6. So minus 6 means here point is the 3 comma minus 6. So next x equal to 4. X equal to 4 means here y equal to, we write here 4 square minus 4 minus 12. So here 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So here 4 comma 0 is the point. So use these all points here. These are points. We use these all points, draw the graph. Next we draw the graph. Here already graph paper is there. Here already draw the x and y axis. X axis, x and y axis intersecting point is O, origin. So here 0. X axis on 1 2 3 4 5. So y axis on each centimeter equal to 2 4 6 8. Each centimeter equal to 2 units. So x axis on 1 unit, y axis on 2 units. So here we write the scale. Scale on x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, and y axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. This is the scale. So now we draw the graph. Here first point, we use these points. First point is minus 3 comma 0. So first mark on here x axis minus 3, x axis minus 3, y axis on 0. So minus 3 comma 0 is the point. Next second point is minus 2 comma minus 6, minus 2 comma minus 6, x axis on minus 2 and y axis on minus 6. So this is the second point. So next third point, minus 1 comma minus 10, minus 1, x axis on minus 1 and minus 10. Here third point. Yeah, third point. Next here fourth point, 0 comma minus 12, 0 comma minus 12. This is the next point. Next here 1 comma minus 12, 1, x axis on 1, y axis on minus 12. 2 comma minus 10, x axis on 2, y axis on minus 10, 2 comma minus 10. Next point is 3 comma minus 10, 3 comma minus 6, 3 comma minus 6, x axis on 3, y axis on minus 6. Next 4 comma 0, x axis on 4, y axis on 0. So these are the points. Now use the scale and join these points. So here to here join these 2 points. So this is the line y is equal to x square minus x minus 12. This is the equation of this line. Y is equal to, or y equal to, in question p of x equal to y equal to x square minus x minus 12. So this is the graph. So here this line touches the x axis in 2 places. So this is the quadratic polynomial. It has at most 2 solutions are there. That these intersecting points are 2 solutions. Here y equal to minus 3 and here x equal to minus 3 and 4. These 2 are the solutions of this line. So we write the solutions. So here the graph cuts the x-axis at minus 3 comma 0 and 4 comma 0. So the zeros of the polynomial are minus 3 and x coordinates minus 3 and 4. These 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. So here given equation. So here justification. You're asking justification. Justification. Here x square minus x minus 12 is there. So that equal to 0. So here in middle term, split the middle term. So here we write minus x equal to 12 means here 4 3s are 12. So we write here x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 equal to 0. Here we take common x minus 4. Again we take common 3, x minus 4. Next here we take common x minus 4. Here x plus 3 means here x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 3. So these two are the solutions. So here also minus 3 and 4. So these two are equal. So this is the solution of first one. This is the graph. So next second one, p of x equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. So here given y equal to, here p of x equal to y equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. So use this equation. First we write the points. So here first this is the quadratic equation. So it has two solutions. So it has two solutions are zeros. It has two zeros. So first x equal to, we take minus 1, x equal to minus 1 and y equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. So here x square minus 1 whole square minus 6 into minus 1 plus 9. So 1 plus 6 plus 9. So here 16. So first point is here minus 1 comma 16. So these two are the x comma y coordinates. So here minus 1 comma 6. So next we take x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means here y equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 means here 0 square minus 6 into 0 plus 9 equal to 9. So here point is the 0 comma 9 is the point. Next we take x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means here y equal to 1 square. Same, use this equation. 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus 9. So here 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 equal to 4. So here the point is 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4. So next x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means y equal to here 2 square minus 6 into 2 plus 9. So 4 minus 12 plus 9. So here 13 minus 12 1. So here point is the 2 comma 1 is the point. So next x equal to, here x equal to next we take 3. X equal to 3 means here y equal to 3 square minus 6 into 3 plus 9. So 9 18 plus 9. So 9 9 18 0. So this is equal to 0. Here point is the 3 comma 0 is the point. Next x equal to, we take 4. X equal to, we take 4 means here y equal to 4 square minus 6 into 4 plus 9. So here 16 6 4s are 24 plus 9. So here 25 minus 24. So here 1 means here 4 comma 1 is the point. So these are all the points. Use these points and draw the line. So here already draw the x and y axis. X axis on 1 2 3 4. So y axis on 2 4 6 8 10. So 1 centimeter equal to 2 units on y axis. X axis on 1 centimeter. So we write the scale. Scale equal to, on x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, and y axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. So this is the scale. Scale is must. So compulsory we write the scale. So next, after we mark the points. Here first point. Here points are there. First point is x comma y minus 1 comma 16. So first point we mark it minus 1 comma 16. X axis on minus 1. Y axis on 16. So this is the first point. So next point 0 comma 9. X axis on 0. Y axis on 9. 9 means here 8 and 10. Middle point is, middle line is 9. So here 9. Next here 1 comma 4. X axis on 1. Y axis on 4. This is the point. Next 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. X axis on 2. Y axis on 1. 2 comma 1. So 3 comma 0. X axis on 3 and Y axis on 0. So here 4 comma 1. 4 comma 1. X axis on 4. Y axis on 1. So 4 comma 1. Y axis on 1. So this is the, these are all the points, and use the scale and join these points. So use the scale and join these points. So this is the given line of p of x equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. So this is the line. So now here this, so given line intersecting on x-axis here. So here 3 comma 0 is the point, 3 comma 0. So here x solution is 3. So here graph cuts on x-axis, graph cuts on the x-axis at 0, 3 comma 0. So the zeros of the given polynomial here, the zeros of the given polynomial are here same, that implies here 3. So here first justification. So here justification means here first p of x given p of x equal to here x square minus 6x plus 9. So x square minus 6x plus 9. So this one we divided first, we split the middle term x square minus 3x plus 9 equal 0 equal 0, because here minus x coefficient is minus 6. Minus 6 means here 3 into 3 6. So we write 3 3s are 9. 3 into 3 is equal to 9, 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So we use this one. So here we take common x. X means here x minus 3 is there. Again we take common minus 3, x minus 3. Now here x minus 3 is same. So we take common x minus 3. X minus 3 is there, is equal to 0. Here also same, only 1, x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0. So here x equal to 3 and x equal to 3. So this is the solution. Here also same, 3 is coming. So this is the second one solution. Copy it. So this is the graph of the second one. Next, third one, p of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. So this is the quadratic equation. So first here given equation y equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. So this equation we write the points. Here first we take x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1. Here y equal to x square minus 4x plus y. So here x place we substitute minus 1 whole square minus 4 into minus 1 plus 5. So here 1 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 10. So the point is the minus 1 comma 10. Here x comma y values, these are the points. So here coordinate points. So here minus 1 comma 10. So next x equal to we take 0. X equal to 0 means here y equal to we write here is x place we write 0. 0 minus 4 into 0 plus 5. So here plus 5. Here point is the 0 comma 5 is the point. So next here x equal to we write here 1. Y equal to 1. X equal to we write 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 5. So here 1 plus 5, 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So here 1 comma 2 is the answer. So next here x equal to we write 2. So 2 means here y equal to we write 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 5. So 4 minus 8 plus 5. So here 9 minus 8 equal to 1. So here 2 comma 1 is the point. So next we write x equal to 3. X equal to 3. X equal to 3 means here y equal to 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 5. 9, 12, 5. 9 minus 12 plus 5. So here x equal to 2. Here y value is 2. So 9 plus 5, 14. 14 minus 12, 2. So here point is the 3 comma 2 is the point. So next x equal to 4. X equal to 4 means here y equal to 4 square minus 4 into 4 plus 5. 4 square means 16 minus 16 plus 5 equal to 5. So here point is the 4 comma 5 is the point. Next here we write the x equal to 5. X equal to 5 means y equal to 5 square minus 4 into 5 plus 5. So here 5 square means 25. 5 fours are 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5 equal to 10. 30 minus 20 equal to 10. So here point is the 5 comma 10 is the point. So these are all the points. So use these points and draw the graph. Now next we write the scale. So scale on x-axis. So here on x-axis is 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So here on x-axis 1 2 3 4 5 6 and y-axis 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So now first point is minus 1 comma 10. So minus 1 comma 10, minus 1 comma on x-axis 10. So this is the point. Next point is 0 comma 5, x-axis on 0, y-axis on 5. This is the second next point. Next 1 comma 2 on x-axis 1, y-axis on 2, 1 comma 2. Next 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1 on x-axis 2, y-axis 1, 2 comma 1. So 3 comma 2 on x-axis 3, y-axis 2, 3 comma 2. Next 4 comma 5 on x-axis 4, y-axis 5, here 4 comma 5. Next 5 comma 10. So here on x-axis 5, y-axis 10 here. This is the point. So now join these points. So this is the graph. Here p of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. So this is the graph. So this graph does not cut on the x-axis. So here not intersect on x-axis. So here has no solutions. So we write that one here. So here observe this curve cannot intersect on x-axis. So here we write that one. So observe the graph does not cut the x-axis. We observe the graph does not cut the x-axis at any point. So the quadratic polynomial has no solutions. So the polynomial p of x has no solutions, no zeros. So here no zeros. So first justification. So justification, here given equation is p of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. So here x square coefficient 1 and constant 5, 1 5 the 5. So here we cannot slit the middle term in proper way. So not possible these solutions. So the given equation, the given equation, so here not possible to slit the middle term. Slit the middle term are factors. So the given equation not possible to slit the middle term. So it has no zeros. So this is the third one solution. Anyone copy it? This is the graph of the third one. Next, fourth one, p of x equal to x square plus 3x plus minus 4, x square plus 3x minus 4. So here given y equal to here x square plus 3x minus 4. So now this equation, use this equation and we write the points. Here first x equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 4, here y equal to x square plus 3x minus 4. So x place we write minus 4 whole square plus 3 into minus 4 minus 4. So 4 4 is 16, minus 4 3 is 12, minus 4. So yes, 0. So point is the minus 4 comma 0 is the point. So next x equal to minus 3. So that implies here y equal to x square minus 3 whole square plus 3 into minus 3 minus 4. So here 9 minus 9 minus 4. So here minus 4. Next point is the minus 3 comma minus 4. So minus 3 comma minus 4 is the our point. So next we write x equal to minus 2. That equal to y equal to minus 2 whole square 3 into minus 2 minus 4. So here 4 minus into minus plus 6 minus 4 6. So here minus 2 comma minus 2 comma plus 6. So 6 is the point. So here we write the plus means here minus 6 minus 2 comma minus 6 is the answer. So next here x equal to, we write minus 1 means y equal to minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 minus 4. So here 1 minus 3 minus 4. So here minus 6. So minus 1 comma minus 6 is the point. So next x equal to we write the 0. X equal 0 means here y equal to 0 square plus 3 into 0 minus 4 is equal to minus 4 is the answer. 0 comma minus 4 is the point. And x equal to, we write 1. X equal to 1 means here y equal to 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 4 is equal to here 1 4 minus 4 0. So here 1 comma 0 is the point. So next x equal to, we write 2. X equal to 2 means here y is equal to 2 square minus 3 into 2 minus 4. So here 4 minus 6 minus 4. So here minus, here plus is, sorry, here plus 6. So here 2 comma 6 is the point. So use these points, we draw the graph. So here scale. First here already we draw the x and y axis, x axis and 1 2 3 4, y axis also 1 2 3 4. So here first we write the scale. So here on x axis 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. Next or 1 centimeter equal to, we write 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Next y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So this is the scale. So now we draw the diagram. Here first point minus 4 comma 0. So minus 4 comma and x axis minus 4, y axis and 0. So this is the point. Minus 4 comma 0 is the point. So next second point is minus 3 comma minus 4 and x axis minus 3, y axis and x axis minus 3 and y axis and minus 3 comma minus 4. So here an x axis minus 3, y axis and minus 4. Next point is minus 2 comma minus 6 minus 2 and x axis minus 2 and y axis is minus, x axis and minus 2 and y axis and minus 6. So this is the point. So here 5 6 means here this one is the point. So here this is the point. Next minus 1 comma minus 6 and x axis minus 1, y axis and minus 6. So this is the next point. Next 0 comma minus 4 and x axis 0, y axis minus 4. This is the point. Next 1 comma 0 and x axis 1, y axis on 0, 1 comma 0. Next 2 comma 0 and x axis 2, y axis on 6, 2 comma 6. So these are the points. So now join these points. So here p of x equal to x square plus 3x minus 4. So x square 3x plus minus 4 is the given line. So here this line intersect on x axis 2 points. Here minus 4 comma 0, minus 4 comma 0 and here 1 comma 0. So here minus 4 comma 1 are the two solutions of this given equation. So we write that one. So here the given graph, the graph cuts on x axis, cuts on the x axis at minus 4 comma 0 and 1 comma 0. So here two solutions. So the zeros of the polynomial are minus 4 and 1, minus 4 and 1. This is the zeros of the polynomial. So justification. So here justification means here given p of x equal to p of x equal to x square plus 3x minus 4. So now here split the middle term. So here x square coefficient is 1 and constant is minus 4. So minus 4. So here middle term is 3x. So 3x means 4 into minus 1 we write here, minus 4 is coming. So add these two numbers, middle term is coming. So here x square minus plus 4x minus x minus 4. So here we take common x plus 4 and minus 1 common x plus 4. So here x plus 4, x minus 1. So here this equal to 0, 0 means here x plus 4 equals 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 4 or x equal to 1, or these two are the solutions. So here also same, these two solutions are equal. So this is the fourth one solution. Anyone copy it. This is the graph of the fourth one. Next, fifth one, p of x equal to x square, p of x equal to x square minus 1. So given equation is given y is equal to x square minus 1. So here we write the points. Here first x equal to we take minus 2. X equal to minus 2 means here y is equal to minus 2 whole square minus 1. So here 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So this is the point. So minus 2 comma 3 is the point. X equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 means 0. So here point is the minus 1 comma 0 is the point. Next x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means here y equal to 0 square minus 1 equal to minus 1. So here 0 comma minus 1 is the point. 0 comma minus 1 is the point. Next x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means y equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So here 1 comma 0 is the point. Next x equal to 2. That implies y equal to here 2 square minus 1, 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So point is 2 comma 3. So these are the points of given equation. So use these points and we draw the diagram. So now this is the graph paper. So here already draw the x and y axis. So x axis on 1 2 3 4 5 numbers. Here also y axis on 1 2 3. So negative numbers and positive numbers we write the both numbers. So here first scale, we write the scale. So here on x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Next on y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So this is the scale. So here next we use the points and draw the diagram. Here first point minus 2 comma 3. So minus 2 comma 3 on x axis minus 2, y axis on 3. So this is the point. Minus 1 comma 0 on x axis minus 1, y axis 0, minus 1 comma 0. So next 0 comma minus 1 on x axis 0, on y axis minus 1. So this is the point. 1 comma 0 on x axis 1, y axis on x axis 1, y axis 0, 1 comma 0. Next 2 comma 3 on x axis 2, y axis 3, 2 comma 3. So these are the points. Join these points here. So this is the graph. So we write here p of x equal to x square minus 1 is the graph. So now this graph intersect on x axis 2 points. Here minus 1 comma 0. One point is minus 1 comma 0. Next here second point is here on x axis 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0. So here x coefficient is minus 1. Here 1. Minus 1 comma 1 are the solutions of zeros of this polynomial. So we write that one. So we observe that the given graph, the graph cuts the x-axis at -1 comma 0 and 1 comma 0. So the zeros of the polynomial are -1 and 1. So these are the zeros of the polynomial. So justification. So here justification is here first given polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 1. X square minus 1 equals 0 means here a square minus b square form, a plus b into a minus b. So here we use this one, here we write here x plus 1 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So this is the x square minus 1 equal to. So here x plus 1 equals 0 or x minus 1 equals 0, x equal to minus 1, x equal to 1. So here these are the solutions. Here also minus 1 comma 1 are the solutions. Here also minus 1 and 1 are the solutions. So this is the fifth one, complete solution. Anyone copy it. This is the graph of the fifth one. Next, fourth question, check whether -1 and 1 by 4 are zeros of the polynomial p of x. So 4x square 3x minus 1. So here given polynomial, these two are the zeros of the polynomial or not, we check it. So here, so first here given polynomial, here given p of x equal to 4x square plus 3x minus 1. So here given zeros are 1 comma minus 1 and whether -1 and 1 by 4 are the zeros of the polynomial. So here we take x equal to -1. -1 means here p of -1 equal to 4 into -1 whole square plus 3 into -1 minus 1. Here x place we substitute the -1. So next here 4 minus 3 into 3 minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So next here a p of -1 equal to 0. So next we take let x equal to, here also let x equal to 1 by 4. So here p of 1 by 4, p of 1 by 4 equal to here 4 into 1 by 4 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 4 minus 1. So here 4 into 1 by 4 whole square. So here 4 into 1 by 16 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. So here 4 ones are 4 fours are. So here 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. 1 by 4, 3 by 4 minus 1. So here LCM is the 4. We use the LCM, do the division. So 1 plus 3, here minus 4. So here 4 minus 4 by 4 equal to 0. So p of -1 equals 0, p of 1 by 4 equal to 0. So therefore p of 1 by 4 equal to 0 and p of -1 equal to 0. So these two are the zeros of the polynomial, given polynomial. So here these are the zeros of the given polynomial. Zeros of the given polynomial. So this is the fourth one solution. This is the last problem of in this exercise 3.2. So complete PDF notes link on description is there. If you are needed, download it.